Alright guys, in this video let me show you how to reset your stopwatch in case they don't end exactly down the middle. So if you watch, when you start it, you stop it, reset, it's not in the middle. So here's how you do it. First you're going to pull out your crown to the first click, and then you hold the top one. See how it spins? Actually, hold on. Maybe, I believe it's the bottom one. Okay, you got to pull your crown all the way. So that's a second click. You want to hold it. So you can try holding two at the same time. There we go. You just click it until it's in the middle, like that. Put your crown back in, and it should be good. So you start it, and then reset. There you go. Every watch is a little bit different, so 2 clicks, and then you hold.